आप सभी को नमस्कार। स्वागत है इस ऑनलाइन क्लास में। क्लास 12 मैथमेटिक्स चैप्टर 2 इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस पार्ट 9 miscellaneous examples are included here. So let us start directly. First, find values of sine inverse sine 3 pi by 6. So we know that sine inverse sine x is equal to x if x belongs to the principal branch value, which is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So here sine inverse sine x is x. Therefore sine inverse sine 3 pi by 5 is equal to 3 pi by 5. That is not it is not true, because this 3 pi by 5 does not belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, which is the principal branch value of sine inverse x. So we have to change this angle to the principal branch value. So sine inverse sine 3 pi by 5 is sine inverse sine pi minus 2 pi by 5. So this is sine inverse sine 2 pi by 5, which will be equal to 2 pi by 5. Now this belongs to its principal branch value, so we have taken it 2 pi by 5. So we get sine inverse sine 3 pi by 5 is equal to 2 pi by 5. Next example show that sine inverse 3 pi by 5 minus sine inverse 8 by 17 is cos inverse 84 by 85. Now the left hand side sine inverse 3 pi by 3 by 5 minus sine inverse 8 by 17, using the identity sine inverse x minus sine inverse y, which is given here. That will be sine inverse 3 by 5 minus sine inverse 8 by 17 will be equal to sine inverse 3 by 5 under root 1 minus 64 by 289 minus 8 by 70 under root 1 minus 9 by 25. So we are getting here sine inverse 3 by 5 into 15 by 17 minus 8 by 17 into 4 by 5. So which is sine 13 by 85. You solve them. So that will be 45 by 85 minus 32 by 85. So that is 13 by 85. Sine inverse 13 by 85. Now this is to be changed in cos inverse. So sine inverse x is equal to cos inverse under root 1 minus x square. So here it is sine inverse 13 by 85, that will be cos inverse 1 minus 13 by 85 whole square, which is 169 by 7225. So solving it, we get cos inverse under root 7056 by 7225, which is cos inverse 84 by 85. So this is proved. This identity is used here. Sine inverse x is equal to cos inverse under root 1 minus x square to change sine inverse to cos inverse x. Example 11 is so that sine inverse 12 by 13 plus cos inverse 4 by 5 plus tan inverse 63 by 16 is equal to pi. Now yes, sine inverse 12 by 15 will be equal to tan inverse 12 by 5 by using the identity sine inverse x is equal to tan inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square. Cos inverse 4 by 5 will be equal to tan inverse 3 by 4, which identity is used to convert this is also given. So let tan inverse 12 by 5 is equal to x, then tan x is 12 by 5. Tan inverse 3 by 4 is equal to y, then tan y is equal to 3 by 4. Tan inverse 63 by 16 is equal to z, then tan z is equal to 63 by 16. तीनों को पहले साइन इनवर्स कॉस इनवर्स को भी हमने tan में चेंज किया, फिर तीनों को हमने एक को x, दूसरे को y, तीसरे को z लिया और उनकी वैल्यू फाइंड की. नाउ tan x प्लस वाई, तो identity is tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. So this is 12 by 5 plus 3 by 4 upon 1 minus 12 by 5 into 3 by 4. So we get 48 plus 15, that is 63 by 20, and 1 minus 36 by 20, so minus 16 by 20. So we get minus 63 by 16, which is minus tan of z, minus of tan z, which is tan minus z, or which can be written as tan pi minus z. So tan x plus y is equal to tan pi minus z. So we get x plus y is equal to pi minus z. Therefore x plus y plus z is equal to pi. Now what is x? Tan inverse 12 by 5 plus tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 63 by 16 is equal to pi. Now tan inverse 12 by 5 is sin inverse 12 by 13. Tan inverse 3 by 4 is cos inverse 4 by 5, and then tan inverse 63 by 16 as usual given. So it is proved here. Now example 12, simplify tan inverse a cos x minus b sin x by b cos x plus a sin x if a by b tan x greater than 1. सो देखिए वॉट एवर इज आउटसाइड ऑफ दैट ब्रैकेट मीन्स टेन इनवर्स, तो अंदर भी टेन होना चाहिए क्योंकि टेन इनवर्स टेन एक्स इज एक्स, यही सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट होता है। तो अंदर हमको टेन में बदलना है, और टेन में कैसे बदलेंगे, तो इफ यू डिवाइड बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटेड बाय बी कॉस एक्स, देन वी गेट tan inverse a cos x minus b sin x by b cos x divided by b cos x plus a sin x by b cos x. So that is a by b minus tan x by 1 plus a by b tan x. अब a by b को हमने tan y ले लिया, तो अब हमको मिल जाएगा tan inverse tan y minus tan x upon 1 plus tan y tan x, which will be tan y minus x. So this is tan inverse tan y minus x, and which will be y minus x, and y is tan y is a by b, so y will be tan inverse a by b. So finally we get tan inverse a by b minus x. Now example 13, सॉल्व करना हमको, मतलब x की वैल्यू निकालनी है, tan 2x tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. So applying the identity, that will be tan inverse 2x plus 3x upon 1 minus 2x into 3x is equal to pi by 4. So we get 5x upon 1 minus 6x square is equal to 10 pi by 4, which is 1. So 5x is equal to 1 minus 6x square. So 6x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0, quadratic equation. Splitting middle term and solving, we get x is equal to 1 by 6 or x is equal to minus 1. अब x इज इक्वल टू -1 रखने पे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, बट राइट हैंड साइड इज पॉजिटिव, सो वी हैव टू टेक x इज इक्वल टू 1 by 6. So the final result of is x is equal to 1 by 6 is the only solution of the given equation. So we have finished here the miscellaneous examples. After that we have miscellaneous exercise also. So in the next video we will discuss it. Thank you very much.